Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing really well and welcome to this week's Motivation Monday. In today's video I am going to blitz the bottom floor of the house. I have got an hour while my baby is napping to clean up all of this mess that has just accumulated all morning and from the weekend. We had a bit of a lazy weekend and the house is just a mess basically, and I'm gonna dedicate an hour to really working my socks off, getting the house nice and clean and tidy and back to how I want it to be. First things first, I'm going to set myself a timer for an hour and I'm not going to go over it. I've got lots of other things to do this morning, so an hour is all I want to dedicate to this. And I'm going to put on my favourite TV show to give me a little bit of motivation, put some Real Housewives on in the background, and we are good to go. I'm going to start off by doing the dishwasher. It is full, so the first thing I need to do is empty all of this, put it away in the cupboards, and then refill it with the dirty plates and cups and everything that has been growing in the sink. Next up, I'm going to have a good tidy and declutter in the kitchen. Like I said, we've had a bit of a busy weekend and there's just stuff everywhere, which happens when you're in a busy family house, and I'm just going to tidy up and put everything back in its place. Don't even ask me why there's a bucket here, I haven't got a clue, but we're looking tidier so I can start to clean things now. I'm going to start by cleaning our chopping board that I've used to make Cooper's lunch just now, so I'm just going to clean this and let it drain off. And now that the sides are clear, I can start to clean the sides. I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth and a flash spray, and I'm going to just use these two to wipe down all of the sides and all of the bits on the kitchen. I'm also going to do the front of the kitchen cupboards as well. There were a few drip marks all over here, probably courtesy of my son, so I'm just going to clean the fronts of the cupboards as well. And I'm going to do the hob in the quickest and most efficient way ever, using a Dishmatic filled with dish soap. Wet the top, wet the sponge bit, and you are good to go. I give the hob a really good scrub with this, and then I wipe all the soapy suds away with a clean microfiber cloth, and it is always so shiny and clean. It literally takes me 2 minutes. Into the play dining area of the kitchen now, and I'm just going to spray down our dining table. It is, filthy basically from the weekend, with all sort of food bits all over it and bits of felt tip where my son's been colouring on there and whatnot, so I'm just going to wipe it down really thoroughly, make it nice and clean and tidy up any bits that have been left on there. While I'm at it, while I've got the spray and a cloth in my hand, I'm going to spot clean the boys' sofa in the kitchen as well. It's got some little drip marks on it from milk and God knows what else, so it's really easy to clean. This is a loaf sofa and the fabric is called Clever Velvet, and it is the easiest fabric to clean ever. I just spray a little bit onto the cloth and then use the cloth to gently rub, and it gets off any mark that has ever been on there. There's not been a mark on here yet that I have not been able to clean off, and it looks all fresh and new once I give it a little wipe like this. into the hallway, and again it's just feeling really cluttered and busy from the weekend. I'm going to put the shoes away because apparently boys aren't able to put their own shoes away. Am I the only one? Right. I'm going to tidy up the shoes, put all those away. There's some things here that need to go out in the garage or in the bin. Tidy up the wellies by the front door, just really reorganize the hallway. And then I'm going to wipe down the surfaces, do a little bit of dusting up here just with a flash spray and with a clean cloth. Just going to have a quick wipe down and a little dust and make it all nice and shiny and new. Okay, into the living room. We had a bit of a lazy Sunday, obviously, because there's a duvet from the spare bed in here where the boys are probably just getting cozy and watching films in here. There's all sorts of cups of tea, things that need to just be tidied away and reorganized. It looks better already. Then I'm going to get my flash duster, put a fresh head on my flash duster, give it a shake. You have to shake to wake. Give it a good shake, make it all fluffy, and I'm just going to use this to quickly dust over all of the shelves and all of the surfaces in the living room. I'm still amazing. There are some drink marks and little rings from mugs and things on the table on our little ottoman, poof, footrest, whatever you want to call this thing. So I'm just going to wipe this down as well. Still amazing, now I'm going to vacuum all of the hard floors. The baby is napping, but actually the vacuum never wakes him up. He loves a bit of white noise, so I'm safe to vacuum. I definitely can't clean upstairs. That would probably be too loud, but vacuuming downstairs is fine. So I'm going to go over all of the hard floors in the utility there, in the kitchen, in the dining play area, in the hallway, in the living room, the entire downstairs.
Through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you could shake this off, you're not that tough.
I was really happy to see that I still had just over 4 minutes left, so I thought I'll put on a really quick load of washing, all sorts of towels and things that have just been piling up waiting to be put in the washing machine. I just shoved all that in with a tablet and some softener and made the most of my last 4 minutes, and that was it. The hour was up. I lit my candle because you guys know I have to light my candle when I finish cleaning. It lets me know that it's over and that I can relax, make myself a cup of coffee, get my work done with 2 minutes to spare. Thank you very much. And the baby is still napping. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stay